Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a final planting of my fall crops along with some hot peppers that I started inside my grow house inside my home. And I thought I would bring you along. Let's go. So we're here with my little cart and we're going to reuse some of these 5-gallon containers that I had before. And we're going to plant, well, first of all, we're going to put some amendments into the soil in the form of bone meal and blood meal. Put a handful of each. Mix it around in the hole. Next, we're going to take the hot pepper plants. First one we're going to do is a Freeport orange Scotch bonnet. And as you can tell, or see rather, nice root system. We're going to place that into the hole. We're going to backfill with the soil that we moved. And just like that, we have one planted. We have another container, and we're going to repeat the process. Go down, dig a hole. I want the hole to pretty much cover this size of the planting area. And you can see the roots again. Okay, we're going to go ahead and lean that in there. We're going to add some bone meal, some blood meal, a handful, and a handful of bone meal. Mix that in the bottom of the hole and around the sides. Place the plant in the hole, backfill, and cover. And we have another orange Scotch bonnet planted. Now I'm going to go ahead and do this for the rest of the plants, peppers that I have. Then after I'm done, I'll tell you what they are. So here we have our Freeport orange Scotch bonnets. And I believe I planted 2 of these here. They're nice and looking healthy. We'll go over to the other side here and we'll look at the other ones that we planted. Actually, these are the Freeport Freeport orange Scotch bonnets that I planted here. The other ones that we just saw are moringas, scorpions, red. Uh, both varieties are real spicy. Here in this bed, we are starting some broccoli some cauliflower, and some collards that I started from seed inside my grow tent in the house. Um, I've had these in the house for maybe about 6, 7 weeks, and while they're not very big, they need to go out um, so that they can start growing. So that's why I'm putting them out now. This bed has been amended with black cow, some potting soil, and a little perlite. It's nice and healthy. It has been raised, or the soil level has been raised by, I would say, about a good 6 to 7 inches by adding wood into it, as well as yard compost and twigs. So, as you can see, we got all of them in, and they look nice and happy to be in their new homes. We are going to go ahead and add some mulch later on, just like we did in this bed here and my other beds. And we will be done planting pretty much, hopefully, for the fall. I still have some more starter plants and everything inside the home in my greenhouse in case we get plants that need to be replaced or we want to do a second planting. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did this planting. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. You can share my video as well. Until next time, take care.